Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tapbots, trading.
Black Shark team welcomes you back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to quickly connect your Solana wallet to airdrops like Nodepay and Grass. The process is quite similar for all airdrops, so once you learn it, you'll be able to do it for others as well. Let's get started. Just follow my steps. First, start by verifying your email. Let me show you how to do it. The email has been successfully verified. Now, let's verify the wallet. I'm using Phantom, but you can choose any of the supported options. Let's get started. The wallet is installed. I'll create a new wallet to demonstrate the process. If you already have a wallet, you can simply log into it. Now, let's connect the wallet. Now, you need to verify your wallet. Great, now confirm your wallet address. A link will be sent to the email address you registered with. Congratulations, all steps for claiming the airdrop are complete. Now let's move on to setting up Grass. Click on Connect Wallet and follow along with me. Now, you need to verify your wallet. Great, now confirm your wallet address. A link will be sent to the email address you registered with. Congratulations, all steps for claiming the airdrop are complete. Subscribe to the Black Shark Team channel and feel free to ask questions.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tapbots, trading.